Hello, I'm Siobhán Wills. I'm Professor of Law at the Transitional Justice Institute, and I'm also the course director for both LLMs, the LLM in Human Rights and Transitional Justice and the LLM in Gender, Conflict and Human Rights. The LLM in Human Rights and Transitional Justice tries to look at human rights in the transitional context, looking at it at the present moment. It takes the local Northern Ireland context as a base from which to study international norms, and so as to move from the local to the global, so that students will acquire expertise and understanding of international norms and local, how they're applied locally, and also how to look from the local context to the international context. It's taught by experts in the field of transitional justice and human rights, people who have written the books on the subject. It's intensively taught with small classes. The core classes are about 15 in a class, and the optional modules about 5 to 10 in a class. In the first semester, students do two foundational courses, if you're taking the course full-time: Foundations of International Human Rights Law and Foundations of Transitional Justice. But they set the foundation for looking at the specialised optional modules in the second semester. There's a choice of optional modules, one of which is my field, the law of armed conflict. Another looks at regional perspectives of transitional justice by Professor Kath Collins, who is an expert on Latin America. Another course looks at economic, social and cultural rights and how they impact on the transitional justice context. And there are several other modules. This course is relevant to both legal practice and to policy, to research and advocacy roles in the voluntary public and private sector, locally, nationally and internationally. So that means that there's a wide range of options for students taking this course to follow in their future careers, from NGOs, both local and international, and to working in the local environment, to academia, a wide range of options.